Hello everybody. Welcome to our 5 lesson. The sounds of English and the International Phonetic Alphabet. Okay. First, the IPA, that is the symbol from the International Phonetic Alphabet, we can find in modern dictionaries used for English students as you. We can find a chart in this dictionary when there are British and American phonemes with one symbol. Okay? The British version is given only where it is very different from the American version. Okay? I show to you some words and their sounds and there are in this chart. Okay, pay attention please. For example, one symbol from this chart is this. Look at me please. I hope that you can see my right. Okay, is clear? This is a symbol of these sounds. Pay attention. Arm and father. Yes? This symbol it represents this one and this one sound of the English alphabet, okay? Please, here, this sound.
Arm, father.
This is an American version.
Arm, father.
This sound that you listen in these words is represented for this symbol, okay? And this is its sound.
Arm, father.
And the British sound is this one.
Father. Father.
It is similar, but it's different in really. Okay, other symbol that we can find in this chart is, for example, this one. Look at me. This symbol represents these sounds in American and British English alphabet. Pay attention, this symbol represents this one and this one sounds. Please, here, these sounds.
Call for.
In American version.
Call for.
And in the British version.
Call for.
Clear? Is clear? Okay. This chart don't contain this chart no contains all the symbols used in phonetic transcription in modern dictionaries for English learners, okay? And your keyboard does not have the case corresponding to the symbols. You must download a special keyboard from the internet, and if you want it complete, it has an additional cost. Okay, students, see you in the next class. Thank you.